halfway through April and spring is busy springing.
April's showers, May flowers, and all of that inevitably heralds the swarm.
Culicity nematosera, boasting a slender segmented body, 1 pair of wings, 3 pairs of long hair-like legs, and a specialized complex structure called the proboscis. This horrifying biomechanism is comprised of 6 needle-like mouth parts called stylets. The proboscis is a tube-like structure that pierces the skin, finds blood vessels, and allows the mosquito to suck blood.
Now, we could rely on the graceful predatory aerial skills of the Anosoptera or the night flight of the Cryoptera. But outside of natural causality and store-bought chemicals, what can we do to hamper these most irritating hematophagus cretins? Stick around, post station identification, and find out.
If you're trying to keep your work or camp area free and clear, let's check out this shirt we did last summer on just that.
Tongues in all kinds of cheeks here. Shorts and long-form videos operate on a different standard of copyright, one which allows the use of this song and the other sacrificing monetization on this video. So this one's for the boys, I guess. Moisture in the moss and the lasting ember of the fungus make for a pretty fantastic bug smudge.
For personal use or if roaming through the woods, you may have heard that a bar of Irish Spring works.
Also useful in the avoidance of jail time shower recreation.
2 good coughs. If you've tried this, drop us a note in the comments and let us know how it worked out for you.
Alternatively, you could find yourself some yarrow. Achillea myofolium generally flowers from late May all the way until September. This amazing little flower not only makes a wonderful floral decorative, but also an incredible bug repellent tincture with so many other uses.
Click the link above or in the video description to learn how to identify this plant.
Still got Barbie in your head? Let's see if some moonshine can take care of that.
It's been said that the tincture can be made with fresh flowers, but we learnt with dry, so we'll go from here. First up, you'll need to remove all of the flowers. And then crush them into a powder.
Next, you're going to need some high-proof alcohol. If you're in the States, Everclear at 190 will work great, but if you're in Canada, I'm afraid you're stuck with White Lightning at 100 proof. Store in a dark place and shake vigorously every couple of days.
After 4 to 6 weeks, throw it in a jar or an empty spray bottle. Ultimately, though, our go-to is these little deodorant capsule type guys. They tend to come with us whenever we go traveling, and more often than not, they follow us into the woods. The compact size is mighty convenient and stuffs into your pack or your pocket without taking up much room at all.
Made from lavender, patchouli, basil, menthol, and other essential oils, this product comes to you from our friends in Sunshine Valley, British Columbia. Check the link in our video description for their website and use promo code MOSQUITO for 20% off. Ultimately, the effectiveness of any natural bug repellent is dependent on the user's biological makeup. We've found that just a light application of this on your neck, arms, and legs seems to create a decent overall perimeter repelling insects. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe for more stuff.
They don't like us. They don't like us. They ain't gotta like us.